Welcome back. We're continuing the news. In this evening's health report, Shamela Pullen looks at a common eye condition known as pterygium.
A pterygium is a raised fleshy growth filled with blood vessels that originates in the pink part of your eye and spreads over the cornea. Pterygium can happen to anyone who spends a lot of time outdoors in the sun without eye protection. It's more commonly seen in older adults. Karen Pinnock Notice was recently diagnosed with the condition.
I just scratch it, and sometimes I read. It did pain me, and then something there, I got the health cell down there looking at me eye. And so one skin I grow over me eye, baby, and then right when referring me if I go to public.
Pterygium is not cancerous, but it can grow large enough to cover part of your cornea. When this happens, it can affect your vision. In rare cases, pterygium can scar the cornea. Without treatment, the patient may lose their vision.
We can treat with medication sometimes, because if the patient have the first degree, we can prescribe medication, eye drops, anti-inflammatory eye drops. But if the pterygium is bigger, we have to do surgery.
Surgery typically takes between 30 minutes to an hour. Mrs. Pinnock Notice did surgery because her condition was severe.
When I put me on the bed now, I say, open the eye, but then I couldn't turn nothing at all. I did I lie down, then start operate for me, when I done. I quit me, and I said, no, Miss Pinnock Notice, don't quit. I took me off the eye. I did it, I just lie down and relax. And I said, one more minute, and you can hear them clip with this something. And when them clip with this something, I lie down and then wipe it off and then tape it up and say it's finished.
Although still recovering, Mrs. Pinnock Notice is doing much better now. With her health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.